I would speak to the Transit Benefit Fare program to a colleague by just simply saying it's a very easy program to administer. It benefits the employee through pre-tax payroll dollars, it benefits the employer through pre-tax payroll dollars, and it's a win-win for everybody.
From an administrative standpoint, it's really probably one of the easiest benefit programs to administer.
The American Bar Association is committed to helping the environment, and the Transit Benefit Fare program directly helps us meet that goal.
My business implemented the program 10 years ago simply by calling the RTA. It's a great way to have employees save on commuting, and it's also a nice incentive to get people to take transit rather than drive and park.
The Transit Benefit Fare program is wonderful. It's a pre-tax benefit that we can offer to our employees through a payroll tax deduction.
It offers the employee a way to get their transit amounts to get to work pre-tax, saves the employee money, saves the company money.
It helps our organization and our employees save money, as well as helping the environment.
I find the Transit Benefit program easy to administer, as it's really one paycheck a month. You get the deductions, you know exactly what people are going to be ordering, you place that order, and basically you're done with the program for the month.
Our employees can take full advantage of the Transit Benefit Fare program by changing their deductions, as well as by using either CTA, Metra, or PACE.
With the new debit card, it's going to be so much easier for our employees. We can load the card. They'll be able to use it for any type of pre-tax transportation.
I think once they get the debit card and have that in hand, I think they're going to find the real benefit of being able to pay for their, whether they do ticket by mail or whether they go to the kiosk or whether they go to the ticket office, they're going to have that debit card that they can use in all those different formats.
We're really looking forward to the transit debit card because instead of contacting CTA, PACE, and Metra separately, we'll be able to do it all at once with the RTA debit card.
Employers who don't offer the pre-tax program to their employees are really losing out. I think that the employees look for it when they join an organization. It's a huge benefit to the employees as well as the organization. It keeps people coming to work.
You're offering a program for the employee that they can get pre-tax dollars taken to pay for their transit benefits. So they're not only minimizing the amount of tax they pay per year, but they're also getting basically their budget for the month for their transit, which I personally think is a huge benefit. And for the employer, you're minimizing your own taxes, which offset any administrative costs really associated with the program. So there's really no loss to the employer to offer this program.
What I would say to an employer that doesn't offer the benefit program is please do it. It's an easy way to offer a benefit to your employees, and it really doesn't cost much.
Our firm benefits from the Transit Benefit Fare program by taking new employees who are joining the firm, advising them about the program, and then when they sign up for it, we then walk them through the process. They get a payroll deduction, they get pre-tax dollars to purchase their transit benefit, and it's easy for them. I have heard from employees when they come from another organization that doesn't offer it, that it's such a great benefit to both them and to us. The firm will benefit from the program from a pre-tax perspective as well by lowering the payroll costs, which means that we pay less taxes on our total payroll dollars.
We have a number of young employees coming in that don't have a lot of tax deductions, etc. So it is a great way to help them reduce their taxable income.
Employees tend to be at work more when they can get here. Traffic in Chicago is a nightmare, so public transportation is a great option.
I think a huge benefit of the Transit Benefit Fare program and being in a city like Chicago is that the RTA has such an expansive network of transit options to use. So with one program, you're given the options of all sorts of transit within Chicago, which I think keeps Chicago a vibrant, live city.
The RTA has been delightful to work with. They are very quick to answer any questions or concerns that we might have about the Transit Benefit Fare program.
When I came to Chicago about 12 years ago, all this public transportation stuff was new to me. I walked into the city and was so impressed with how everything worked together so seamlessly.
For me, it's more of a budgetary item. Yeah, I like the fact that my transit funds are taken out of my check. I like the fact that it's pre-tax, but I also just like it that I know my funds are going to be there.
I'm one of the 70% in my office that uses the benefit program, and I recognize a savings of about 75% over driving and parking.
I get to realize pre-tax dollars for my ticket to get to and from the city, and over a period of time, a year, 2 years, I mean, I've been working in the city now 12 years, that's a lot of money that you save.
I think it's definitely an added check in that box that puts us over the top.
The Transit Benefit Fair program is a selling point when we are recruiting new employees.
Any benefit that my company can offer me makes me feel better about working there.
Companies who don't offer the pre-tax benefit, especially today, it's kind of like you don't offer it.
Being downtown Chicago, I don't see why anybody wouldn't utilize those programs.
The program's really easy to implement, and it's a win for your employees, so why wouldn't you want to do it?
I would encourage any HR professional to offer the Transit Benefit Fair program. It is a program that is easy to administer, it saves both your employees and your company money, and our employees truly appreciate the convenience of the benefit.